Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip of the week is a term called conversion. And there are some synonyms for the word conversion, one of which is theft or misappropriation. Conversion is where the real estate agent steals and spends the client's money. So anytime the real estate agent takes money from a client, maybe or on behalf of a client, maybe it's for property management. Maybe you hire me to manage your apartment building and I collect rent for you. Obviously that's not my money, that's your money. I gotta put that money in a totally separate account called a trust account. Now if I take it and spend it and make my car payment with it or my house payment with it, that's called trust fund conversion. So again, very commonly asked concept on the real estate test, stealing client money could best be described as A, commingling, or B, conversion. Your answer, that's conversion. Conversion is where you spend the client money. Now that term commingling is important. Commingling is mixing broker money with client money, but that's not this. Theft of the client money is known as misappropriation, also known as trust fund conversion on the exam.